When you first start learning English, trying to juggle grammar rules and vocabulary at the same time can feel complicated. Speaking clearly begins by focusing on a few foundational blocks. By the end of this session, we are going to build your personalized daily English cheat sheet, a physical document you can immediately use in real conversations. To do this, you need to actively build it with me. Grab a pen and a piece of paper right now. Later on, you will also need a mirror. We are going to build this cheat sheet using the master formula. These simple sentences follow a predictable mathematical equation. Treating sentence structure like a formula removes the guesswork. You simply plug the right words into the right slots, which allows you to focus on your delivery rather than worrying about grammar. This diagram shows our core architectural formula. You have a subject, plus a helping verb, plus your information. To express a physical state, we lock in I and am for the first two blocks and drop hungry into the third slot. I am hungry. This framework is flexible. If you need to state your current situation, you just rotate the final piece. Now I am busy. Write down 2 I am sentences right now that describe exactly how you are feeling or what you are doing. A common mistake is dropping the helping verb and saying, I hungry. Without that middle piece, the structure of the sentence collapses. That helping verb, am, is the essential load-bearing pillar. It holds the subject and the state together, ensuring your message is complete. We can expand this formula to describe physical movement toward a specific destination. If you are leaving for class, the destination slot becomes college. I am going to college. If you are heading to work, swap the destination. I am going to the office. Write down 2 places you travel to every week using this exact formula. We also use a formula to express your personal tastes. This equation is even simpler. I plus like plus the thing. For a morning preference, drop in coffee. I like coffee. For a sport or hobby, swap in cricket. I like cricket. Write down 2 of your own preferences or hobbies on your paper. When using this formula, do not pluralize the verb. It is never I likes coffee. The correct form is I like coffee. Also, do not use your state verb here. Saying I am like coffee changes the meaning. Use the simple preference structure instead. By keeping these 2 structures separate, your listener understands exactly whether you are describing a current situation or a long-term interest. This clarity prevents the confusion that often stops a conversation. Now we can combine these formulas into a sequence you can use when meeting someone new. Look at this template. We are going to use a 3-part framework: your name, your origin, and a primary interest. When completed, it sounds like this. My name is Ram. I am from Visakhapatnam. I like cricket. Fill in those specific blanks on your own paper to complete your custom introduction. Chaining these 3 sound sentences together creates a reliable script. Instead of hesitating when someone asks about you, you can use this sequence to make a clear first impression. Look at the paper in front of you. You now have a complete, personalized English cheat sheet. Your first assignment is to take that paper to a mirror. Speak these sentences aloud for 5 minutes. This builds the muscle memory required for the words to flow naturally when you need them. Your final challenge is deployment. Use at least 5 of these simple sentences in a real-world environment today. Conversational confidence grows through the consistent use of these basic, structurally sound sentences. You have the formulas. Now go use them.